Green Industry Hall of Fame to honor and preserve the contributions of those exceptional individuals who have served the green industry, with support from Brightview. Consider your commercial landscape needs solved. We take pride in delivering consistently excellent results for clients across the country. This year's Green Industry Hall of Fame inductees: Donald Hodel, Daryl Green, Robert Seat, Baxter Miller, Marty McPhee, Chris Austin, Marty Gottlieb. These individuals have made a significant impact and positive influence that assures the future of our industry in the lives of generations to come. For more information, visit greenindustryhalloffame.org.